Kenya has rolled out automated instant traffic fines aimed at improving safety and enforcing traffic laws more efficiently. This was effected on the 9th of March 2026, and in today's video I am going to take you through how this system works and some of the fines and traffic offences highlighted. So this is how the system works. The National Transport and Safety Authority, this is the NTSA, has established over 1,000 surveillance cameras on all of our roads. So this is how these cameras work. They're able to automatically capture violations such as speeding. So the footage is sent to a central command and control center. Then motorists that are involved in such an offense receive an instant SMS alert explaining the offense. And the system covers 37 minor offenses that I'll be able to take you through at the end of this video. Fines range from 500 Kenyan shillings to 10,000 Kenyan shillings. Drivers are expected to pay within 7 days after receiving that notification via SMS. Fines can be paid either through your mobile phone or your bank or any USSD platforms. If the fine is not paid, then interest will be added to what you're supposed to initially pay, or you could be blocked from the NTSA portal and not accessing anything from the NTSA. Systems like these ones are connected to digital surveillance records, so it is very easy to retrieve that which was your violation. Then the system is aimed at reducing accidents and enforcing traffic laws, as I stated earlier at the start of the video. So some of these violations and fines include, so here are some of the digital fines that are going to be implemented on our roads the soonest as possible. This was effective from the 9th of March 2026. Number one fine is the speeding, the overspeeding one. So it is a tiered scale all the way from 500 Kenyan shillings to 10,000. So 500 Kenyan shillings will be fined to you if you have a 6 to 10 kilometers per hour exceeding the limit of the speed required. 3,000 Kenyan shillings will be your fine if you're speeding over 11 to 15 kilometers above that which is the speed limit. And 10,000 Kenyan shillings will be your fine if you are 16 to 20 kilometers per hour above the required speed limit as stated for that road. The next one is operational and lane violations. So this is the next digital fine category, and this is what it entails. So number one of this category is when you are ignoring the red light. Number two is when PSV or any vehicle is going on an authorized lane, for example how we've seen the buses take on and driving along passengers' roads. And number three is when these PSVs are dropping or picking these passengers at unauthorized stops. And then lastly is when you're ignoring all traffic lights on that road or any of them thereof. Next category of these digital fines is the high penalty infrastructure offences, and this is what it entails, running from 5,000 Kenyan shillings all the way to 10,000 Kenyan shillings. So here are the three offences listed in this category. Number one is when you're blocking the road, especially for these big trucks that have a huge trunk behind them. So you're found blocking this road, that's a 10,000 fine for you. Number two is when you're driving on a passenger's walk, that's a 5,000 fine for you. And then lastly is when you are found without number plates on the road, that's a 10,000 fine for you. So this is in the category of high penalty infrastructure offenses. And the last category, according to what has been given to us, is driver safety and behavior. So digital fines will be fined for this from 500 Kenyan shillings all the way to 2,000 Kenyan shillings. So what is listed in this category is you as a driver using a phone, that will be a 2,000 penalty for you. And if you're not having a seatbelt, that will be a 500 fine for you. So now you have it. Thank you for watching today's update. See you on the next one. Remember to like, share and subscribe and help us grow to reach out to you and very many of car enthusiasts here and abroad.